Talking exclusively to NNIS in the national capital, former SP leader Kamal Farooqi said that the BJP and its prime ministerial candidate Narendra Modi have been targeting the Election Commission unnecessarily just to get sympathy of electors and polarize the elections. Farooqi said it is sad that the political parties have been targeting and accusing the Election Commission of things which have no basis. He added the Saffron Party has been misguiding the public by portraying a wrong picture of the EC.
It was a road show. They were also, even Mr. Modi did the same thing. So there was no discrimination. I think they have been unnecessarily targeting Election Commission. Election Commission has been doing his job very in a very fair manner, unbiased manner. And making allegation against the Election Commission is in fact shows the desperation in the BJP camp, and they are putting the whole facts in a very twisted manner. In fact, Mr. Rahul Gandhi has not been allowed to hold the rally. It was a road show. In fact, road show. Even Mr. Modi did the same kind of thing, and later on, even from this point of view, the rally was allowed to Mr. Modi also. So where is the difference? Where is the discrimination? They are trying to use all every ammunition in their in fact to target Election Commission or just to polarize the whole thing, just to gain the sympathy of the people. I think it's too late in the line.
The former SP leader said the BJP has made the route to forming a government at the centre more difficult by keeping bad terms with all major political bigwigs.
If Mr. Modi remains limited to 160 or 165, it will be very difficult, Mr. Modi, to garner the support from anybody, because these major players, whether be it Mamata, be it Jayalalitha, be it Mayawati or Mulayam Singh, or for that matter even Jagan, nobody is going to support them. Nobody is going to support them. Orissa has already said that we will not vote along with Modi. So all those talks which they were talking about 300 plus and all those kind of, they have gone into the air, and now the reality has come to them, and they have started making. Of course, some of the media houses, in fact, they have played their role in highlighting Mr. Modi beyond his stature, in fact. But that's a fact of life. Indian voter is far smarter than anybody has thought about.
Powered by NNIS.